Good morning, Jacquelyn. This is Rivenbark with Tameron Honda-Hoover. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video. I just tried to give you a call. Looks like I missed you, but I saw you had some interest in this 2014 Acura MDX. I've got that vehicle right here. Now, this vehicle is equipped with a set of aluminum wheels on almost brand new Michelin tires. The front end is super. Take a look at the front here. You get those 5 LED strip along with those daytime running lights. Overall fog lights with chrome accents. Now this is really cool. You just walk up to the vehicle, stick your hand in the door, it unlocks itself. It's going to be pushed to start. It's got that really nice black soft leather interior, and it is a third row seat SUV. Now, it is really easy to access the third row. All you have to do is press this button right here. Close that down, and you'll get access to that third row in there. Take a look. It makes third row access very easy. Now, up front, this vehicle is going to be equipped with dual zone climate control. You got your side blind zone monitoring, as well as your dual screen display here. It's going to give you that navigation as well as full Bluetooth control. It does have the Acura link, as well as a one-touch sunroof with that opaque cover. So if you don't want the sunroof, you can just shut this right here and pretend it's not even there. These front seats are heated. This does come with the integrated dynamic system, so you can kind of change the way the vehicle drives and rides. Put it in comfort, normal, or sport mode, depending on what kind of situation you're in. Power lift gate back here. All one touch. Still gonna have those chrome accents. These seats are super easy to fold down, as well as fold back up. And then we got tons of storage right here as well. Miss Jacquelyn, what I need you to do is give me a call, shoot me a text, or reply to this email. Again, my name's Rivenbark with Tameron Honda out here in Hoover, and I can promise you this, Jacquelyn, we do business one way, that's the right way, and you're gonna love the way we're treated. See you soon.